Hey friends, so you just bought a new home but not sure how to design your dream house? Interior designers are pricey, and if you are doing by yourself it's too confusing. So what you can do, you can try these kind of AI tools and try by yourself in multiple ways. Who knows, you get it right the way you want. So in today's video I'll show you how you can use this kind of tool and get your interior designing in the right way. Let's get started. First, open the tools website. You will find the link in the description. Click on the Start My Flow Now button in the center. This is its home page. First, on the left side, you have to click on the login box. After this, you have to log in using your Google account. After logging in, you can see its dashboard. Here you can see lots of interior designs which you can generate based on real life scenarios. So first we need to click on the new chat plus icon in the center. There is also a new chat button at the bottom left. You can click either one. We'll design the interiors of all these images. Let's do it. Now here you will see a chat panel style box below. You can see it. Inside this box, you have to upload your raw image, meaning the one you want to design. So I'll upload it. Now you will see three boxes above. In the first box, you have to select the aspect ratio. So I'll do it. Now the second box is space type, meaning you have to select the room type. Here you can see many options like bedroom, kitchen, living room, bar, office, cafe, etc. So I'll choose based on my space. Now the next box is design style, meaning how you want the interior design in your space. Art Deco, contemporary, Scandinavian, and many more. You can select whatever you like. They also show visuals of how each style looks. After this, in the same box, once you select the room design style, it automatically generates a small prompt describing the design. I already written down what kind of interiors I want in my space, so I'll just paste it. I'll also put down the same into the description, so please check it out. Now finally, after doing all this, click on the arrow button and the tool will generate your interior design in few minutes. Here there is another surprise for you guys. I have generated a 20% discount code only for our channel viewers. So check out the code in the description as well as on the screen. And here is the final result. Looks nice, right?
Yes.
So now we'll try the kitchen use case and see how does it transform our kitchen space. As you can see on the screen, I changed the wall in the kitchen image. You can also change the color if you want. So let's see how it is done. Again, come back to the tool. And here we will click under the add box and upload the kitchen image. Then under the setting box, I'll make changes as per my need. Then in space type, I'll select the kitchen. Now from this box, I'll choose the style. Now here, I want to make some other changes. In my case, I want a brick wall. So I have already written about it and I'm just going to paste it here. I'm also going to put everything into the description. So please check it out from there. After pasting, click on the arrow button and the tool will generate the new image in a few seconds or minute. And here is the final result. Looks awesome, right? So now we'll try the different use case in the same tool. We'll try to generate different design variations. So let's do it. The whole process stays the same. As I'm doing it, you can see on my screen. Here I'm trying bedroom image. After that, select the room type. Then here we will try different versions. So I'll choose this type. Then at the end, I will click on the arrow. And within few seconds, our image will be ready. And here is the final result. Looks stunning, right?
Yes.
So now we'll change only the style. So let's fast forward a bit. Here you can see the result of all of them. From here you can save your favorite design or download them. If you like this tool, You can use my coupon code DOLPHY20 and get the 20% right there off. And if you like this tool and tutorial, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe my channel, and make sure you share this with your friends who are buying new office or home. See you in the next one.